There are hundreds of ways to cook an egg like this. The trick is to understand the coagulation temperature of egg protein. The whites and yolk, they both have different setting temperature. Once you understand that, I promise you'll be able to play around with temperature and timing and cook an egg the way you like it. Egg whites contain several different proteins, each with different setting temperature, starting from 58 degrees Celsius, where it's just beginning to turn milky but still very liquid. At 65 degrees Celsius, the whites are starting to firm up like a soft jelly. You can't peel that. At 74 degrees Celsius, the whites just set and you'll be able to peel it, but it's very tender. So be careful when you're peeling it. At 80 degrees, it's hard boiled. The whites are fully set and firm, and you can peel it easily. Egg yolk starts to thicken at 62 degrees Celsius and fully sets at 74 degrees. At 65 degrees Celsius, it has the best consistency. I love that temperature. Thick but syrupy. The trick to get a perfect onsen egg is to set the white so that it's able to hold its shape like a soft jelly, while the yolk thickens slightly but still remains runny. You can cook at 65 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes depending on the size of the eggs. But at the higher temperature, more egg white protein will set and your egg will be more beautiful. I like to cook it at 68 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Try it and let me know how it goes.